You say Root Kid, ne? Root Kid is going to have the biggest downfall upon. And the people will say that as these people who are band, they will not support like music or band. And the Root Kid will not support like who feels someone about what. Because of the kind of the art chick who chase a cloud and they is busy chasing cloud. And now people are getting tired. Last year, tomorrow guys who just take his land south that is injured. So that the next just which is a reducing one that's covered as an. So now I'm going to take a look at what the vessel on it and one. Why is it music or what you the cloud like I thought happening one? The kind of music and the bridge over at some attention. I thought you will go as a put you and the purchase up with your plan as to anyUtaman so actual one. Like he's really talented, he can really rap, he can do everything, but all he can do which is a cloud and which check out what is the trend in the trend as a doing. Literally the visitors will put a career. Or the funny goes to us who has going to go boom, goes to the numbers go to academy. And now we are so man, I do the rich but the fake weight. My literally spend every time it's going to go to academy. Like, given problem, you got an plan like here for his own music. Another plan for one. Well, literally, I don't understand about because of for the gaming. I should go push under the cloud says one. But literally he can freestyle. That means he can rap. What would I start as a therapy from? I should tell now which. Look at those when there is no person and like. And the officers will put our energy to on the one and in his acquisition disangles. But what can we say? To talk for much of one is of the stone and there's it.